All right. Welcome. Those that are joining in, glad to have you guys here. Welcome. Yes, sir. It's Jackpot here. All right. Welcome. We're gonna get right into it. Today. Uh, I'm actually pretty tired from this week. It's been a crazy week for me, but I'm very excited. Looking forward to this coming week. So, what I wanted to do today, real quick, for about 15 minutes, is to simply update you on what is going on at FX Capital Online. Right? What are the tools that we have right now that could help you succeed in the market? All right, even after you pass your phase 1, phase 2, and also, how to be able to get your account, right? How to get your account for you to be able to trade live, right, with real money through Propfirms. You guys know it's always, easier to work with others' money instead of your own. All you gotta do is make a smart investment into yourself. Get your funded account set up. We pass phase 1, phase 2 for you within 24 to 48 hours. And then from there you get going. I already passed a couple accounts for some folks, but next week is when everything is really going to start taking off, because you guys are going to be passing your tests and you're going to be going crazy. So let's go over it, right? And of course, for the services that I offer for you to learn how to trade with me after you get your live account, get the indicator, trade live with me on live trade session, you could go to this link below, fxco.co, and you will be able to actually learn how to trade. So here's what I'm going to show you first, because most of you guys here, you're really excited. You want to know about the bot, man. You want to know how the hell is this bot able to pass phase 1, phase 2 so fast, right? How the hell does that happen? What kind of software, what kind of tool is running behind these accounts, literally connecting to the printing machine? Wake up by the morning, everyone is passed. That's some crazy stuff right there. So we're gonna go over it in details on how you could participate and connect your account. So what we're going to do, let me share my screen here so you can see. All right, for the bot, this is what you're going to do. And by the way, I will get to everyone that contacted me. I will get to you guys. I've been very, very busy, but this is how it looks. All right, let's say you come here, right, to FX Capital Online. Let me see if it looks better like this. Looks better like this. Okay, you come here, okay, and note it says, make sure you have your account before you even pay the management fee. We have a trusted software, the JackpotPMG bot, speed and accuracy, okay. And these are the two firms that we recommend you to take. Pay for that first, even before you contact me about me managing your account to pass phase 1, phase 2. Get your account first, okay? Once you get your account from either this website, Leveled Up Society, right? That's the ones that we recommend, because that's the one that we work with closely, so we could be able to pass those challenges for you guys. Or you could do one of my favorites here, First Class Forex Funds. And with this one right here, you could actually get a 500K account, up to 500K account, and it's a 90% split, up to 90% split. All right, look at this. Up to a 500K account, you have a profit target phase, you have to make 40K. Profit targets phase 2, got to make 25K. Easy for the bot, of course. All right, and then minimum loss you could have is 60K. That's crazy. I could risk 60K. You don't know what type of numbers and profit that was gonna be generated from all of us here getting funded and passing phase 1, phase 2. You get your account, great. Once you get your account, you get going. And if you can't afford that one, get this one, which is a 200K account. All right, that's the one I have. And I'm going to go get this one real soon by the end of the month, right? And then we have this one as well, which is the 100,000, right? It costs only $525 for you to get this account. Once you get this account, then you could contact me about me managing your account. To save time for the both of us, please get your account first from one of the firms that we recommend, and then contact us of how you could manage it for you. All right, here's another one as well right here, and here's another one as well right here. You get to select which option you want, make payment, then you contact us. Hey, I got my account set up and I'm ready to pass phase 1, phase 2. Then we're gonna say, hey, great, perfect, you ready to pass phase 1, phase 2? Come here and pick an account and choose exactly how much you willing to spend based on your account, which is right here. So if you have a 50K account, you're spending $515 to get this thing done right away. Right away. That's a great investment. If you don't invest this, you're gonna end up losing it anyway on your account. So might as well. You don't want the last minute of you not passing your test, and that's when you come into us for help. That's stupid. We don't have time to waste here. Get your account, pay the fee so you could beat the time, which is in 30 days. Some people fail because they can't make it. Connect with us, right? Phase 1, phase 2, pass, done. And then you get that account for real, 50K real account. Now you could trade it the proper way and make real profits using the Jackpot Strategy Elite indicators, right? So today, me and my team, we were trading on a USD CAD using this indicator, and we made profit. I'll tell you that. Me and the team, we found an entry on USD CAD right here, right? USD CAD right here. We got in the arrow here, right? 5-minute time frame. And as you guys could see, I'm not making this up, right? You want to know how I'm seeing blues on my live account? This is it. All right, boom. I got the signal. Boom, I enter. Once I enter that signal, you could see from then on, I was able to hold all the way to a TP here. And it's still not done, realistically speaking. If you were to get in here, let's see how many pips that was for today. That's an 88 pips TP off of one arrow that Jackpot Strategy Elite gave, right? And this entry here was given to us. We took out that trade on our real account, and we also sold NAS as well today, and we made profit on that. We had the arrow since here, as you can see my vertical line, like I showed you guys. I do this every day. This is the same thing. All right, me and my team, live trading session, we tune in. We do the same thing every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, repeat. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, repeat. Same thing, same tool. Because we look into profit in the market consistently. We got the signal for the sell. We all entered. We made money on this. All right, so, guys, you could see that, you shouldn't have any fear once you get your real account after we pass phase 1, phase 2 for you, if that's a worry. Because if you join our online course for Elite Mentorship, where you get 3 times live trading session with me, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern time, sometimes London session, and those sessions goes for 3 to 4 hours sometimes. And you will be able to see exactly what to do on your real live account, how to manage your risk, how to enter the trade, what stop loss to do. You could literally track what I'm doing, follow me, using the indicator, of course, after you purchase it, to just make real profit now on your live account. What is the challenge? What is the problem? The problem is that everyone want to get funded, but there's a challenge you have to go through to get funded. We took that out the way for you. We came with a solution, right? We have the Jack Fund bot. That's the solution to make sure that you get your live account. Then what's the excuse? Well, the excuse may be, well, now that I have my live account, I don't know exactly, how to trade, and I don't want to lose this account because I work hard for it. I paid big money for this account. I don't want to lose this account, right? I need to know how to trade so I could be able to actually make real money now after Jackpot passed phase 1, phase 2, right? It's not about, passing phase 1, phase 2. Phase 1, phase 2 is just for you to get funded, all right? The whole point of why we have the bot The whole point of why we have the Jack Fund bot is for you to get real capital so you could trade using the indicators and the tools that we have, the automation system that is coming out soon, that's trade on live accounts. All of those tools, right, is what is going to help you win and consistently in the market. Now, all you need to do is prep yourself, especially this coming week. By the end of the month, prep yourself by having capital to trade. How many times you seen a lot of big moves happen and you were not able to participate because you don't have money to trade? That happened to me multiple times. Right? I'm scared because I don't have enough capital to trade. Well, great thing is that we have funded firms now that gives us capital. So now what is the excuse? I need help to pass phase 1, phase 2. Great. Great. Now that Jackpot have the system that pass phase 1, phase 2, I just have to pay the fee. What is my excuse now? Well, I'm going to get this account, and once Jackpot's pass phase 1, phase 2 by Monday, Tuesday, I'm going to join the live trading session by Wednesday so I could trade, so I could be prepared to connect the indicator to my live account so I could trade with Jackpot on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern time for at least 3 hours so I could fully understand this. Guys, we're in a recession. Things right now is going bad, and you guys know it, all right? No one want to really talk about it, but shit is going down. Right now is the best time for you to take advantage of any money opportunity to at least find a way to secure yourself and your family. And this is it right here. There couldn't have been a better time for you right now to join and try Forex for real. Now, this time, not with fear, right? I know I'm used to showing you guys how to grow a $100 account because I know that's what you guys can afford. And I've done that in the past, and I know it works, right? But it gets to a point where $100 only could go so far. It gets to a point where you can't keep flipping $100 to 1K, 5K all the time. But if you get a funded account that have 50K in it, 100K in it, now you have 10K to risk. You set up your game plan on how you're going to take your attempts in the market based on the indicator that you're going to purchase at fxco.co. Now you have a real game plan. Okay, out of 20 attempts, I'm looking to risk, out of this 10K limit that I have, I'm looking to risk 5K or 3K from this live account. So I could be able to make an extra 7 to 15K in the market on a month-to-month basis, right? On a week-to-week basis. That's the whole point. That's the whole point of Jackpot, right? That's the whole point of you guys getting your funded account, for you to get real funded after you pass phase 1, phase 2, right? So guys, I'm only here to help you guys because I know how it is. I know the truth, right? I know, it's easy. It's easy to see people online, oh, 50K day, oh, 30K day, 100K day. Let me tell you the truth. The truth is, you don't know the experience of that trader. You don't know what that trader have been through to even get to that point. You don't know the drawdown that trader seen to make that type of money. He made 100K on US 30. Do you know what was the drawdown that he seen before he made that 100K? Maybe that drawdown he seen is your whole life savings. Are you gonna risk your whole life savings so you could try to make 100K in one day? You're not going to do that. Right? So I'm here to give you guys the realistic plan of how you could really profit in the market using funded accounts, right? You could literally get your funds, okay? Have a trading game plan where you're going to risk a certain amount per day, okay? Right? You're going to risk a certain amount per day because you're not going to gamble. When you get your live account, it's not for you to gamble. Because if you gamble your account, you lose your account, you're going to come right back to us for us to pass your phase 1, phase 2 so you can get another live account. Think about it. If you don't follow the rules in trading, how many accounts are you going to get until you say enough is enough? Okay? You need to focus on how you're going to get this account this weekend. Be ready, right? Be ready by Monday, Tuesday to trade. Send me the login so I could connect you to my automation system. Once I do, pass phase 1, pass phase 2. Once you're done, by Wednesday, you should be in a live trading session ready to go. Because why? You're not going to blow this. We're in a recession and you know money is tight. You're not going to fuck this up. Right? That's how your mindset should be right now. I don't know about you, but those that are really serious, that should be your mindset. I just paid, right, this amount for my funded account. I just paid this amount for a jackpot to pass phase 1, phase 2. I am not going to fuck this up. That should be your mindset. Meaning, once you get your live account, you have to invest in yourself at FX Capital Online if you need help trading. Right? You have to invest in the indicators that we have so you could see where the market is going. You have to join the live trading session so you could understand exactly how Jackpot is able to use this amazing indicator so he could profit in the market. The indicators come with videos explaining exactly how to use it as well. The whole point of you having those tools is to help you profit on your real funded account once you get it. Some of you guys have never had a real funded account from a Propfirms. So I know when you get your account, you're going to be hyped. You're going to be excited. That does not mean you're going to break your rules. That does not mean you're going to gamble because, you know, Jackpot could pass phase 1, phase 2, and I'm going to get another one again, so it doesn't matter. That's not the way. You should not be thinking like that. You should take this very seriously, right? Invest in yourself. Once you do, get your account, pass phase 1, pass phase 2, and guess what? If I do not pass phase 1, phase 2 for you, I'll give you a full refund. That's how much I believe. That's how much I believe in my system. If I do not pass phase 1, phase 2 for you, I will give you a full refund for your money. So at least you go back and get another account, okay? So you could try by yourself. I know my account, right? My automation system is going to pass it. That's why I'm able to make that bold statement. Like, I'm going to give you a full refund if I do not pass your phase 1, phase 2, because I know I'm going to pass your phase 1, phase 2. Right? So now that you ready to go, you have everything organized. Once you're done, you take your real account seriously. I have trading game plans for my members that I, share with them and explain how to use them. Let me see if I can pull one up real quick. Right? Guys, we prep with everything. There's none that we not prep with. Look. Look at this. Let me know if you guys can see that clearly. All right. Yes, my elite mentorship program also has one-on-one mentorship in it as well. All right, check this out. This is one of the example of how the trading plan is. I call it the Jackpot Trading Bible. This is what you're going to use to actually pass and, make real money. All right, make real money in the market with your live account. Okay, this as well, you'll be able to get it. Going into details, it breaks down step by step what you need to do. All right, what is your goal for your account? How much you're looking to make? Right, based on the balance. Right, analyze your chart. How to analyze your chart properly. What to do for the jackpot strategy, and details. What time you should be trading. Right? Look at that. Only enter trades at the trading windows, which is what? 1 a.m. to 5 p.m. London session, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Right? The trading window, 444. You follow this with the arrow, you will win. Look, right here. Trading checklist. This is what you need to do. All right? When you're in trades, what do you do after that when you are in a trade? Because you need to know everything. All right? When you're in a trade, you set and forget it. You move your stop loss, all that good stuff. Right? What do you do next after that? When you close the trade, what do you do next? You journal your trade, rest, and wait for the next perfect time in session so you can trade again. Right? Never get too high, too low in your emotions. Always stay in the middle. Right? Don't get too excited when you make profit and then you lose your profit. Stay right there in the middle. You make 50K or 5K, stay right there in the middle. Do it again. Always focusing on doing it again. All right, so guys, that's enough for today. if you're interested in all of this great tools that we have, all these amazing things, let's work. I'll see you inside. That's all for today's session, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good one. Peace out. All right.